guys, Grant with Keystone Design Build here. We're out here at the beautiful morning out at Crow River Orthodontics. I know I was here giving you a little update about a couple weeks ago. So I just figured I'd wrap it up. Just want to give you an update on what the final product looks like. So right away we enter into the open lobby, chairs on each side. They tried to center the doors as best as they can with the front desk. They did a great job. I had mentioned in the video before with the lighting. This lighting is now completed and it looks fantastic. I think it turned out great. So this is the consult room. What you'll do is if you're coming in to have a consult with Dr. DeRocher on braces, any sort of plans like that, you'll enter in the front door and actually come right into this room and sit down. Eventually there'll be a table here with chairs, probably a TV as it looks like. You'll be able to cast that display up there and give you a good representation. So we've entered where the magic happens. Basically through this door is where clients will be. They'll bring you in here. What they have is they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bays for doing any sort of teeth or braces adjustment, anything that needs to be done. Right here to the left, they have a bathroom available for patients right off of the main corridor. One of the cool features that I think that's really cool is in their toothbrushing station here is they have the mirrors that they have here displayed with a little bit of light here. Just a little things to kind of lighten the mood. Another thing that I really love, props to the owners on the design feature on this for their ideas, the partition walls where they have the frosted glass. I think that looks really cool. It's modern and it turned out really, really nice. Another thing to mention as well is they went to really, really nice equipment with the Belmont chairs. I know that the doctor said that he did not want to spare and make sure his patients have the best experience. So now we're going to enter into the sterilization center. In this room is a pass-through room. It is going to have cabinets on both sides, sink on the left-hand side. This will be the lab area, so where they can set everything, work on stuff. The sink will be on the right-hand side here. This is where they'll be doing all the sterilization stuff, the slide outs for their autoclaves and their sterilizers. And obviously these are really important so they can have access to these custom made for the doctors. Now we've entered the break room. So in this break room is pretty simple. It's your the cabinet setup of the normal countertops with the double sink. If you can kind of picture tables and some chairs here for lounging, and that's pretty much what you're gonna get for the break rooms. So this is the corridor area. So this is where actually the employees, they'll enter in from this door, come into here. If again, use the imagination as best as possible, but eventually they would like to do some lockers. Obviously in Minnesota or snow and the rain and everything like that, tracking stuff in. I know they would like to use this door as well. Have a nice little spot to kick your boots off, hang your stuff up, and then enter into the break room, and then also make your way into the sterilization, into the corridor. As you can see, we're back in the consult room. I think the biggest thing that we like to represent is to kind of show you and give you a visualization of the full circle complete of the clinic. And that's the whole point of the design factor. It's very crucial to have that in the clinic, especially in the dental office industry. I think that's why Keystone, we strive so well with that, is being able to offer the opportunity to doctors for the efficient clinic. The flow, giving not only the employees but the patients the best experience that they can possibly have. I appreciate you coming along with the tour here today. Stay tuned with Keystone on our Facebook and all of our socials, as there will be plenty more coming in 2026.